Let's have a quick walkthrough of our smart factory solutions. T-Card is easy to manage and helps prioritise work orders. Janus Data Capture collects all your shop floor production data. Sensors send data to a computer or tablet with all production and work order management activities. Titan CMMS captures machine breakdowns, pushes PM schedules and sends alerts to your maintenance engineers of all TPM activities, including Just Do It's. Organise standard meetings relevant KPIs using Data Point Scorecard. Data Point gives focus and meaning to operations meetings. Maximus ERP is a cloud-based business system that will revolutionise how you run your company. Bolt-on modules allow streamlined implementation and smooth integration. Contact our team for a free demo.